Alright guys, so we're gonna be working this Ford Bronco Raptor. We're gonna replacing these basic handles over here and gonna be swapping them for this with a built-in turn signal LEDs. Bolt these 3 bolts over here, which are 10mm, to remove these hood handle lights, or whatever they call. So over here we have a bolt, and over here we have 2 nuts. So just be careful when removing them. Don't drop them down, because then you have to look for them. Now we can take the whole thing out. Now once this is out, we gotta remove this weather strip. Just probably use a flat screwdriver to pry this out carefully without breaking, because this part we're gonna reuse. Alright, now that weather strip is out, gonna reapply it on a new light over here. So it used to hold with 1 bolt and 2 nuts underneath, but in this case we still can reuse this bolt over here, but on the bottom they actually provided with some new hardware, so we're gonna use 2 bolts over here. Now to make the life easier, we're gonna remove the fender flare and wheel well, at least leave it over here so we can access the headlight and the turn signal over here. Okay, once we removed all of the 105 body clips over here, these guys, as you pop them out, you take them out. Now the fender flare, you can just simply pull on it and it just snaps in there. Just carefully unclip it. Doesn't sound good, but it is what it is. Just like that. It's just hold on the body clips. Now we can remove these 2 clips over here so we can access the lights. So now we can run the wires. We have two red wires. This is gonna come from the fuse to the first light, and then with the extension cable gonna go across for a second light. And these 2 plugs we're gonna use as tap in between each light. Now we reach all the way behind there. There is a clip. There is the connector is over there on the back side of this. That's we have to unplug, and then we can plug in this. And after a bit of a struggle removing the plug from the headlights, it's out. So now we can splice it with our converter over here. Okay, and this is gonna go back to the headlight, and this is gonna go to our new lights. Also, we're gonna get this wire from the fuse panel over there to the active fuse, or we can go to any active power fuse. We don't have to go to the main panel, but we can go over here. Let's say this has constant power. Get the wire through here, and then the second wire over here gonna run across somewhere, hide it nicely, and bring it to a second light. Luckily on the passenger side we don't have to deal with anything over there. The plug is right there, easily accessible. It's right there, so we just have to unplug it. You just pull on it and it comes out, so we can do all the splices over here, hide the wires in there. And this just gonna go one way in here like that. Nice. Just push it until it clicks and it's done. Alright, so just to be on the safe side, I wrapped the entire cable, this cable, in electric high temperature installation, and now I push the wire inside the frame over there, and I have it on this side. I'm gonna use it as a pulley. I'm gonna attach this end and pull it through, and this is pretty much done. Plugs over here are connected. This is connected over here. Gonna put the tape around here. Gonna plug in this back into the headlights and fix up all the wiring here. Now we got the wire coming from over there. Gonna connect it to one of these plugs, and this can be plugged in back into the headlight, and all of these wires can be fixed up and carefully rearranged. And on all of those wires gonna put a zip tie.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, this is how it looks. We're gonna peel this off. So just to test that both sides are blinking, and they sure do. Alright guys, and the lights are installed. They look much better, so it's not just a empty plastic, empty aluminum parts over here. The hardest part is probably taking out the fender well, getting to this first connector, but the rest is pretty much plug and play, very easy. So yeah, when you know how to get it done, it's not that hard. Like I said, the hardest part is just to get to this part over here for this light, but other than that, it came out pretty nice and it looks pretty good as well, so everybody's happy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you might find it helpful, and as always, until next time, everybody, bye.